You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bag.
Yeah. All right, we got spark. Drive shaft is in, buttoned up. Took longer than I expected and I wanted to, but it's in, so we're gonna bring the car down. This is exhaust that we're running for now, just to get it running. All right. Try it again. Yo! Woo! Yeah! This was our problem the whole time. A $12 problem. My rotor had a busted connector on the inside. Put a new one on this morning and she's running. So, go ahead, messenger me, email me something and buy some merch, because now we got
a drift car.
Get this man some tools so we can finish hooking this up. You know, I got the pipe in, y'all ain't worry about that. Gotta get a good welder so we can, you know. Appreciate y'all watching. It runs. The car runs. That's what we've been waiting for.
Friendship. We'll be back with Fabian Doodles.
We're Fabian Doodles.